Children, good morning. How are you, children? Yes, you are fine. Yes, now it is our time. What is the time? Yes, we have to do the revision and write our exam. Yes, children? Yeah. Third class children, science. The first lesson. There are two lessons for the exam. There are two lessons for the exam. The first lesson, my hobbies. The first lesson, my hobbies. Take your workbook, children. Take your workbook and your homework book. Yes, take your workbook and your homework book. Yes, in the homework book you write FA1 revision and the date. Yes, and start reading, children. First read, okay, afterwards then write like a ST in the homework book. Write a ST in the homework book. Yes, children. The multiple choice question. Yes, which of the following hobbies is an art? Is an art. Yes, the first one, the four options are there, children. Which one is correct in that? Feather collection, swimming, tricking, painting. Which one is correct, children? It is painting is correct. Yes, you have to write there D. Okay. And what type of hobby is bird watching? What type of hobby is a bird watching, children? It is indoor or outdoor? Yes, it is outdoor. It is outdoor recreation. Yes, there are four options, children. The options are given there. Okay, the outdoor recreation, arts, collection, sports and games. Which one is correct in that? Outdoor recreation. A is correct. Yes, the fill in the blanks, children. Dash is an outdoor recreation hobby. Outdoor recreation hobby. Which one? The options are given there. Yes, gardening, collecting stamps. Which one is correct? Gardening. Yes, the gardening is an outdoor recreation hobby. Yes, and the fourth one, cricket is a dash. Cricket is a collection or a sport? It is sport. Yes, and the very short answer questions. Name any one hobby related to collection. Related to collection. Anyone you can write their children. Name any one hobby related to collection. Yes, the collecting stamps, collecting leaves, collecting coins. Yes, children. And the sixth one, guess the activity given below. You can see the picture, children. What it is in the picture? It is pottery. This pottery. Yes. And the next one, short answer question. Yes. What are hobbies? What are hobbies? The activities that people enjoy doing during their free time are called hobbies. What is that, children? The activity that people do during their free time, means for the enjoying they do in their free time, is called hobby. Yes, and you can write on your own, children. Yes, what is a hobby? Means you can write like this. The activity that we do during our free time to enjoy is called a hobby. Means what are hobbies? Yes, hobby means one. Yes, hobbies means more than one. Yes, the activities that people enjoy doing during their free time are called hobbies. Yes, children, got the answer? Just think, children, think and write. Think the question what it is. Understand the question what it is and then write. Yes, you can write on your own also, children. Match the following. Eighth one, team sports. What is that answer, children? There in this four it is given here. You have to match. Yes, and team sports. Yes, teach us to work in groups. Teach us to work in groups. Yes, the painting. Painting helps us to be creative. Helps us to be creative. Yes, the 10th one, reading books. Reading books helps us to learn new things. Reading books helps us to learn new things. Yes, the 11th one is exercising. Exercising, if you do exercise, keeps us healthy. It keeps us healthy. Yes, children, got it? Yes. Short answer questions. What is the benefit of hobbies that involve group activities? Give an example. Give an example. I am reading the question once again. What is the benefit of hobbies that involve group activities? Give an example. Yes, hobbies which involve group activities teach us to work in groups. Teach us to work in groups. Yes, for example, games such as football, hockey, and so on. You can write more. Yes, hobbies which involve group activities teach us to work in groups. It teach us to work in groups. Yes, children? Yeah. The 13th one. List any two hobbies that help us to be creative. To be creative. Hobbies such as painting and writing help us to be creative. Means the hobbies such as painting. Painting is a creative, yes, and the writing help us to be creative. Yes, children? Okay? Yes, the next one is long answer question, children. How are hobbies helpful to us? Write in the space provided. Give one example of each. Yes, you have this table in your workbook. Yes, children. Uses of hobbies. Here it is given uses of hobbies. Yes, and the A. They help us to make dash. What it is? It is useful things. Useful things. Example, it is pottery. Yes, or knitting. It is knitting. The B. They help us to be creative. They help us to be They help us to be dash. Means it's creative. Example, painting, writing, cooking. Yes. Okay, children. And they teach us to work dash in groups. In groups. Example, football, hockey, group dance. Yes. And the D. They keeps us dash. They keeps us dash healthy. Example, exercising. Example, exercising. Yes, children? Understood? You have to do your revision very perfectly, children. You have to do it, and you have to write in the homework book from the workbook in homework. What you have to write? The question number from 1 to 14. 1 to 14. Yes, children. You write like a ST. Like a ST. You have to write like a ST. Just to copy the questions, close the book, and write the answers. Yes, you can do like that. Yes, children. You should learn properly and be prepared for FA1 exams. Yes, children. Get good marks. Yes. If you be perfect, you will get good marks. Yes, children. Okay. Do your revision properly.